Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, after the doctor's visit, appointment visit, we're going for a walk. And it's windy walk today. So if you walk forward, you feel the wind. But if you walk backward, the wind is at your back. It's better that way.
There's open here, that's the problem.
Yeah. So, we need to go. Come on, at the top and then back. Ay, grabe. We cannot walk properly because of the wind. Oh no. Where's Denise? Grabe ka windy. Come on, Denise. Kahilak na. Hindi lagi gusto hangin ng bata. Super good ka windy guys, as in. But the sun is out. That's why we walk. We're walking because the sun is out. Yay! Denise really hate the wind. Backward, nak! Backward! Gahilak. Hindi gusto na i-win. Grabe kid ka windy oh. Open man gud may open area. Open area ba? Look at that. Lago na po ang sun. The sun is hiding again. As in. What? We're halfway na, halfway na. Come on. Backward na lang kani maglikaw kaya ang hangin naman sa akin. At least makita na kung nabay car. Wala ni walking pinabali. Walking backward. So muna to guys, humana ko og check up. Humana ko mammogram og ultrasound. So na-assist sa akong dughan. Mawala na daw na siya pero mabalik manggaling na siya. Ilara ng kaon ng liquid. Tusok og dagom, aray-aray. Grabe ka sakit sa kamot tugnaw kay hangin guys. Ang hangin murag ice. Ay balay dito. So we are in between. The road is in between the farm. I mean, you know. Then I crop in here. I don't know what crop is that. It's very green. So we are in Karkode area. There may go walk. Nice kini diri og summer. Down go winter. Nice gihapon pero windy lang. Cold kayo. Dali! Jogging! Talikod na po. Jogging, jogging! That's it! Run! Run, Denise! Challenge the win! You won't win, you know? Denise will win! Watch this! Watch that! Denise will win! Hangin kayo. Come on! Oh! Iupuman si Denise, oy! Run, run, run! The car is very far. The car is at the end of the road. See? Ah! It's good for the lungs. It's good for the cold and lungs. Run, run, run! Come on! Go to daddy! Run! Ready? Go! backward, imong running. You're nearly there. The lights are out. Look, Daddy is blind. Look. Banda, banda. That's it. Denise is the winner. Grabe jud ka windy. It's windy in the windy. So windy in the windy. Ta-da! Cold.
Here, Mom. Side.
Bangkore. I don't know what's the sign. Muna ang view diri guys. The car is there at the end of the road, very far. Kaya puli nang ubos. Huy, kalayo na maglinis. Paingnan. Ang kawa. Ah. Private na siya. I think it's going to the private place. Yeah. Private. Bangkok it says. Ana, balik at tatakit. Tugnaw kaayo akong kamot. You riding a horse? Ubak ka sa car. The car is very far. What can you say about the weather, mister?
He's more one coming in this time was coming in by.
Lobot.
That beat me today. Normally I'm the winner. The wind cost me.
So the wind is the winner now. Bye!